around. You're not going to want to miss this episode.
This smells like dog shit in here, really bad. So we got one dead fan mother and a bunch of ice. Big surprise there, huh? I'm a little surprised that I don't see any ice up here. That heater works. I don't really know about all the others. Looks quite a bit like dog shit as well. It's so nasty. Alright, so we got all the ice out of there. Now I can mount this pan up where it belongs. And, you know. Yeah, I'm just going to put a bunch of screws in it. Seems legit. So now I got my X terminal hooked back up. We'll go ahead and we'll take these crazy long defrost back out. Maybe it'll work again now. That one fan's still not running, but whatever. And so we'll just one day later. Lots of ice. I remember that being there before. Not freezing up too bad. I replaced that motor. That motor cost $1,800. And this puny little motor here. What's the horsepower rating on it? It doesn't even rate. It's like a 16th horsepower or something, and it costs $1,800 to buy it on Parts Town. It's just a regular ass motor, except, well, you know, these motors are trash. They get water in them and they freeze, and they're not worth replacing. This motor's like $100, and it'll replace it as long as you get a new blade and a new mount, which combined don't make up half the cost of this old piece of shit.
When they do the stripping there, they still do it up there.
I don't know.
Yeah. There used to be a lot of truck drivers up there. You sell a lot of drugs up there.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
But
I
I don't know. I think that place is closed now.
Yeah, they used to get down up there.
I didn't even know that right fan worked. Good enough HVAC.